Hi everyone and welcome back to the old so-and-so. Alrighty, so we're going through the house. The next thing we're gonna look at is the laundry room, and that is one of my favorite rooms. I don't know if it's because of all the old laundry room stuff, the advertising, or just that I just love doing clothes in there. So let's go to the laundry room. Okay, so the laundry room is down the hall and next to the living room. It's not a very big room, but it serves its purpose. And yes, it has a lot of fun stuff. And I absolutely love the old clothes. That was an old pen bag I need to repair. The laundry pens. That is a soap saver. And of course we have rug beaters in here. And that came off Thomas's, our youngest son's, one of his clothes, because he was born on a Monday. And I think the overalls are so sweet. I mean, you can decorate those just about any way. The enamel pans. And those were for making bricks. So I have the laundry balls and the laundry sheets in them. Yes, the washer and the dryer. And this tub. Oh my goodness. Guys, I am so glad that I got this. I have been wanting one. Now, when I moved to this house, I couldn't tell you how many crates I had. But I have definitely put them to use. I'm just not quite tall enough to get to the very top. But I have found these, the laundry boxes at flea markets, some at estate sales. And I definitely don't need any clothespins. And that cabinet works out perfect for the extra detergent, dryer sheets. And I love this lamp in here. And that is a drying rack. More rug beaters. And I love these old socks. I've even used these socks at Christmas time on the mantle one year. And then I did a wreath because I thought the door needed something. And I used the clothespins to attach it. So it's definitely fun to do the clothes. I don't mind. If I get tired of washing, then when I fold, I got so much stuff to look at. Alrighty guys, so that's the laundry room. I think the next thing that we will do, I think we'll do this hall and the small bedroom next. So I hope you stay tuned. Don't forget to do that thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join the family here at the Oh So-and-so's house. Alrighty guys, so until the next time, I'll see you in the next video.